In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank accounts in Xero. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial for any small business, and integrating your bank accounts into Xero can streamline this process significantly. Let's dive right into it. To begin with, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top bar of the interface. Here, you'll see several options that help you navigate through Xero's features. What we want is the accounting section. When you hover over it, a menu will drop down, presenting you with more options. From this list, click on Bank Accounts. This will lead you to a page showcasing all the bank accounts you currently have connected. If you haven't connected any bank accounts yet, don't worry. We're going to go over how to do just that. Now, to add a new bank account, look for the button that says Add Bank Account and give it a click. This will bring up a search bar where you can type in the name of your bank. It's important to note that different banks might have slightly varied processes when it comes to connecting your account to Xero. Follow the specific instructions provided for your bank to ensure a seamless connection. If, however, your bank doesn't offer a direct connection to Xero, or you simply prefer to add your transactions manually, there's a solution for that, too. In the top right corner of the page, you'll find an option labeled Add Without Bank Feed. Selecting this will allow you to manually enter your transactions. This method ensures you can still track your financial data accurately within Xero, even if automatic bank feeds aren't available. That's all there is to it. Whether you opt for connecting your bank directly through an available bank feed or manually inputting transactions, integrating your financial data into Xero can greatly simplify your bookkeeping process. By doing so, you maintain a clear and organized overview of your business's cash flow, helping you make informed financial decisions. If you encounter any issues during the process or feel like you need additional support, Xero's Help Center is a great resource to explore further. They provide comprehensive guides and support options to address any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing the use of Xero for your business.